Hi, good morning friends. मैं राजीव basic zone. So today we are going to discuss about the topic of 11th standard that we have already started last class. That was units and measurements. And in that class we have already mentioned regarding what are units and what was measurement and all. Now we are going to start a few other topics related to this chapter. Okay. So today's first topic, as we were carrying with the topic of SI units. Okay. I have already mentioned there are four different types of units. They were CGS, MKS, FPS. Okay. And the SI unit, of course. So these were the four different types of units. CGS means centimeter, gram, second. MKS means meter, kilogram, second. FPS means foot, pound, second. And SI unit means system international or international system of units. Fine. So today, now we are going to the next sort of units. We have already discussed that was regarding fundamental units and derived units. Okay. Fundamental units are independent and derived units are dependent units. Okay, and we saw a few examples also regarding that. Fine. Now today I am just going to brief you certain other units which are common and it's like universally accepted. Okay, those units are, you might have heard about astronomical units. Astronomical units, and they are denoted by AU. Okay, what are astronomical units? These units are used to find the distance of separation between the sun and the earth. Once again I will repeat. These units are used for finding the distance of separation between sun and earth. And one astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 meters. So always remember, one astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Fine. Next one, you might have heard about light year. Light year. Light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. What is light year? It is a distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. And 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meters. Okay. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meters. So once again I will tell astronomical units. It is a unit used for finding the distance of separation between sun and earth. And next, light year, it is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. And one astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Whereas 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meters. Fine. Next is the parallax method. Parallax method. This method is actually used for finding the distance between stars and planets from Earth. Okay, this method is used for finding the distance between stars and planets between the Earth. And parallax method, I will tell you an example. That take a pen, like just take a pen, close your right eye first. You can see this pen at one position. Fine. Now repeat the same experiment by closing your left eye and see the position of the object or the pen. So there is a change in the position of the object with respect to the background. Fine. There is a change of the position of the object with respect to the background. That method is known as parallax method. Clear? If suppose I am taking an angle, suppose a circle, okay, I am taking a radius and putting a radius as B, and let the angle formed of the same distance of this radii, okay. The distance of the radius and the angle distance to a point of observation is the same, and let the angle be theta, and let this distance from the radius to the point of observation be S. So how you will find? S is equal to B by theta. This is the formula. Once again I am explaining. It's a part of a circle, and radius here we have considered as B. Let the distance from the center to the point of observation be equal to the radius, and the angle formed by it is theta, and the distance from the radii to the point of observation on the circle be S. So to find the distance S, the formula is B by theta, that is radius by the parallax angle. This is known as parallax angle. What we call theta is known as parallax angle or parallax arc. Fine. So once again I will mention, and this parallax method, before going to recapture it, I will tell you one more thing. We have one more to find the distance or of this arc. We use the unit as 1 parsec. 1 parsec, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meters. This is the unit for measuring the angle, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meters. Fine. So once again we will recapture. So today we have seen that we had a revision about the old topic regarding the units, the 4 different types of units: CGS, MKS, FPS and the SI unit. And we found the different other 2 examples, the astronomical units as was the light year. So astronomical unit means it was the unit used for finding the distance of separation between sun and the earth, and 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 meters. And then comes the light year. Light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year, and it is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meters. Then we have came to the parallax method. I said you parallax method is the process or method to find the distance between stars and planets from Earth. And I said you an example regarding a pen keeping at the position and closing or having a view from the left and right eye. So what you can see, and we have seen that the position of the object changes with respect to the background. That method is known as parallax method, and we have taken a angle theta, or which is known as a parallax angle or a parallax arc, and B is the radius, S is the distance from the radius to the point of observation. So how you have find distance? S is equal to B by theta, and this angle is known as, or the radii is known as radian, the radian of the angle. What we call it? Radian. This is another unit. Okay, radian. Fine. And we used to measure the distance by using parsec, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meters. Okay, I think it's all clear for you. So please do go through this, and even you can download the notes if you want. And so please, if you like it, subscribe below, as I always used to say. Click the bell button, and take care. Bye.